Sri Nityanandastakam of Srila Vrindavandas Thakur. Translation. Verse 1. I worship Lord Nityananda, the limitless root of the tree of devotional service. As he walks with the grace of a majestic elephant, his pure, splendid beauty shines like the full autumn moon. Though he himself is the absolute truth, he is maddened with pure love for Lord Hari. He smiles as he rolls his eyes in apparent intoxication. He carries a stick in his hand, in the mode of a cowherd boy, and he breaks the power of the age of Kali. I worship Lord Nityananda, the limitless root of the tree of devotional service. He is the abode of the mellows of devotional service, and no one can be compared to him. He is the be-all and end-all for his devotee and devotees, and he is the husband of Vasudha and Janava, to whom he is more dear than life itself. Because he is always maddened with pure love for Krishna, the foolish non-devotees cannot understand that he is the Supreme Personality of Godhead himself. Verse 3. I worship Lord Nityananda, the limitless root of the tree of devotional service. He is very dear to the son of Shachi Devi and is worshipped by the entire universe. Out of his great mercy, he chants the holy name of Lord Hari, thus rescuing the souls drowning in the age of Kali and crushing the pride of the ocean of repeated birth and death. Verse 4. I worship Lord Nityananda, the limitless root of the tree of devotional service. He said to Lord Chaitanya, "Oh brother, the people are all becoming infected by the sins of Kali Yuga. How will they atone for these sins? Please give them a way to easily approach you." I worship Lord Nityananda, the limitless root of the tree of devotional service. He went to each house in Bengal and raising his arm said, "Oh brother, if you will constantly chant the holy name of Lord Hari. If you will, please constantly chant the holy name of Lord Hari. If you do this, you will become free from the ocean of repeated birth and death. Please give me this gift of your liberation." I worship Lord Nityananda, the limitless root of the tree of devotional service. He is the Agastya Muni who forcibly swallows the ocean of repeated death. He is a rising full moon, which is the friend of the night-blooming lotus, who expands the ocean of the saintly devotees' good fortune. He is the blazing sun who extinguishes the darkness of the community of demons. I worship Lord Nityananda, the limitless root of the tree of devotional service. He traveled on every path, dancing, singing the names of Lord Hari, and describing the glories of Lord Hari. Without considering his own interests, he was merciful to the people, and he cast upon them his merciful sidelong glance. I worship Lord Nityananda, the limitless root of the tree of devotional service. He fondly grasped his brother, Lord Chaitanya's soft and beautiful lotus hand, and together they wandered here and there, delighting the townspeople with their sweet beauty. They both became filled with bliss when they gazed upon each other's lotus faces. Just imagine that, Lord Nityananda and Lord Chaitanya, just looking at each other's lotus faces and becoming blissed out. They're always blissed out. Wandering through the town, Navadvip, holding their hand, together holding their hands. Oh, imagine just seeing them, their beauty. These 8 verses glorifying Lord Nityananda are the abode of the mellows of devotional service, and they are the wealth of the pure devotees expert at relishing those mellows. All the fallen conditioned souls can get liberation just by remembering them. These verses are very excellent, transcendental, and unprecedented. May the 2 lotus feet of Lord Nityananda appear eternally in the hearts of those who read these verses and remember the Lord. Thank you so much to Vrindavan Das Thakur for composing these verses and bestowing that benediction upon us.